Review quiz number 3. If the number shown is written correctly using scientific notation, write correct, or you can write C. If the number is written incorrectly using scientific notation, explain or circle the part of the problem that is incorrect. Then rewrite the number correctly. A, 0.5045 times 10 to the negative 6. B, 2.804 times 10 to the 9th power. C, 12.04 times 10 to the 3rd power. D, 0.39 times 10 to the 12th power. E, 1.004 times 10 to the negative 8th power. Number 2, rewrite each number using scientific notation. $300, $106,000, 0.0000397, 4,356,000, 0.0157. Number 3, rewrite each number using standard notation. 4.8 times 10 to the 4th power. 5.72 times 10 to the 9th power. 3.72 times 10 to the 1st power. 1.9284 times 10 to the 2nd power. Do not do 3 times 10 to the negative 13. If you want to, I will consider it extra credit. Number 4. Jamie used a microscope to measure the diameter of a hair. She found that the diameter of the hair was 0.000072 meters. How is this number written in scientific notation? A, 7.2 times 10 to the negative 5th power. B, 7.2 times 10 to the 6th power. C, 7.2 times 10 to the 5th power. Or D, 7.2 times 10 to the negative 6th power. Number 5. The human eye blinks an average of 4.2 times 10 to the 6th power times per year. Which of the following is equivalent to 4.2 times 10 to the 6th power? A, 4,200,000. B, 42 million. C, 420,000. D, 420 million. Number 6. The distance light travels in 1 light year is 9,500,000,000,000,000 miles. Which of the following shows this distance using scientific notation? F, 9.5 times 10 to the 10th power miles. G, 9.5 times 10 to the 11th power miles. H, 9.5 times 10 to the 12th power miles. J, 9.5 times 10 to the 13th power miles. Number 7. The diameter of a xylem cell in a redwood tree is 3.0 times 10 to the negative 5th meters. What is the diameter of the cell using standard notation? A, 0.000003 meters, B, 0.00030 meters, C, 0.00003 meters, or D, 0.00300 meters. Number 8. June completes a science homework sheet in which one of the values she records is 0.00000000052. Her math class has been working on writing numbers using scientific notation. June decides to record the very small number using what she has learned. 5.2 times 10 to the blank power. What value should June record in the box? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on the grid below. Be sure to use the correct place value. Also make sure you tell me whether it's positive or negative. Number 9. The distance in meters to reach the star Vega from Earth is this number. What is the distance using scientific notation? A, 239 times 10 to the 15th power meters. B, 2.39 times 10 to the 17th power meters. C, 239 times 10 to the 17th power meters. Or D, 2.39 times 10 to the 15th power meters.